Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you something truly mind-blowing as we explore a new feature, Higgsfield Recast. If you thought AI face filters were impressive, just wait until you see this. It's like face swapping on steroids. I'm talking about AI-powered full-body character swaps that preserve all gestures and hand movements. Imagine transforming someone into a completely different character with one click, changing face, body, voice, even background, while keeping all their movements and expressions intact. The world has never seen anything like this in AI-generated videos, and Higgsfilm Recast is the first to achieve it with stable hand gestures. In today's video, I'll test it live, show you how it works, and we'll see if you can tell what's real and what's AI. So what is Higgsfilm Recast? Well, to start with, it's an AI tool that lets you take any video of a person, like a video of me talking, and replace them with another character. It's not your typical face swap filter you've seen in apps. It's much more advanced. Higgsfilm Recast clones your entire performance, tracking body posture, hand movements, micro gestures, everything, and transfers them to a new character. The result is a flawless identity transfer. The person in the video is perfectly replaced by a new character. What's truly important is that all these subtle nuances, how you tilt your head, how your hands move when speaking, are perfectly preserved in the new video. This kind of consistency has been a major challenge for AI video until now, as other tools would fail if you moved too quickly or if your hands covered your face. But Recast uses a cutting-edge physical model, so even rapid movements, poses, and transitions are handled smoothly. When they say shots that look filmed, not faked, they really mean it. Looking at Recast results, you'd think it was actually filmed with that character in real life. And as if that weren't enough, Recast also offers one-click background swapping, voice cloning, and multilingual dubbing. Basically all the tools you need to transform any video. Studios typically charge a fortune for this. We're talking six-figure amounts for this kind of full body replacement and scene changing. But Higgsfilm created an AI that does it in minutes for anyone. Basically, they created what many in the industry consider impossible. Alright, come on, enough talk. Let me show you how it works with a real example. I'm on the Higgsfilm website and have a short test video of myself ready. A person talking and gesturing with a background like the one you're seeing. Basically, we'll upload the video, and once uploaded, we can choose which character we want to replace it with. There are over 30 predefined characters to choose from. Realistic humans, avatars, anime style, cartoon creatures, etc. For this demo, I'll choose an anime style character to clearly see the difference. Now I'll press the recast button to generate the transformed video, taking less than a minute for a short clip like mine. The AI analyzes my video, tracks all my movements, and essentially rebuilds it with the new character instead of my original video. And that's it. The result is here. I play it and it's incredible. In the video, now it's an anime character, which is the one I chose. It's still the same performance and the character moves exactly like the previous one did. But every head tilt and hand gesture is perfectly mirrored. Even the tiny micro expressions are visible on the character's face and it looks incredibly natural. If I didn't know better, I might think it was filmed that way or used motion capture, but it's actually AI doing it instantly. And most importantly, with no errors. I was moving. Here, my anime avatar's hands move fluidly, doing exactly what my real hands would, without strange deformations or missing fingers, and old tools couldn't handle fast movements, often failing, but Recast passes tests easily. Okay, maybe I don't want the current background scene to be visible. Well, Recast has a background change feature with just one click, with several preset options. Basically, we choose the one we like best, and with one click, the system replaces the original background with the new one, and now my anime character appears to be in a completely different place. It adds a special touch without needing a green screen or anything similar. Even the character's lighting adjusts slightly to look believable in the new scene. You can also change the voice. By default, the character has a set voice, but maybe you want it to have a different voice. Higgsfield Recast lets you clone a voice from a sample or use one of their 12 preset voices. In the interface, you can select one of the preset voices, for example, a deeper male voice just for fun. And what the tool does is process for a moment to apply the new voice. And now, when playing the video, my character speaks with this voice. Finally, another incredible feature is dubbing. Let's say I want to share this video with an audience that speaks another language. I don't have to re-record anything. I just select the language in the options and Higgsfield translates my voice and dubs it in the selected language. I tried it, I selected it. It could do the same with many other languages. Currently, there are 6 main languages, and this is revolutionary for reaching a global audience. One recording, and I get content in multiple languages instantly. So, who is Higgsfield Recast for? Well, this technology opens up many possibilities. It can serve VTubers and channels with characters who want to change their avatar or identity instantly with great realism. And today, you're an anime hero, tomorrow a talking animal, all without expensive equipment or complex setups. It's perfect for anonymous or camera-shy creators who maintain privacy while appearing on camera as someone else. Global creators who specialize in dubbing various content into different languages. Or independent filmmakers and small studios who can shoot once and then digitally replace actors or change locations. It's also great for marketing and advertising pros to quickly create different video versions with various presenters or settings for A/B testing. For personal brand builders, meme creators, viral content makers, educational content creators. After trying Higgsfield Recast, I must say I'm genuinely impressed and excited about its possibilities. I felt like I was running a small Hollywood studio right from my laptop. This type of AI tool can radically change the way we create. What once required an entire team or a large budget can now be done by a single creator in minutes. And of course, we must use this powerful technology responsibly. Higgsfield has policies to prevent misuse, which I support, but used creatively and positively, it can open up a whole new world of content. If you're curious and want to try Higgsfield Recast, you'll find the link in the description. It's on the website, and believe me, it's really fun to use whether you want to create a serious production or just play around with different characters. Thank you so much to Higgsfield for this video and for letting me showcase Recast. And thanks to all of you for watching. If you found this interesting, hit like and consider subscribing for more explorations of technology and artificial intelligence. I'm really interested in hearing what you think. Does it surprise you or scare you? How would you use a tool like this? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today.